Hi family and friends, welcome back. If you're new, I'm glad you're here. My name is Maricela and I want to welcome you. Today I'm going to make something so delicious. Chicken wings in a teriyaki sauce with broccoli, some onions, and some bean sprout. So easy to make, so delicious. I know you're going to love them. Let's get started. What I have here is 12 chicken wings that I have soaking in some lemon. I have broccoli, 2 cups of bean sprout, 3/4 cup of the glaze teriyaki sauce, 2 green onions, red chiles, and 1 onion. Okay, here are the ingredients, and I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm using the reduced sodium. I have teriyaki sauce, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of the rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon. I have oyster sauce, maybe 1 tablespoon. This is the hoisin sauce. Gonna be 1 tablespoon. I have here honey. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of honey. I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And I have here 1 garlic. And I'm gonna grate it. I have here, you made about a 1/4 teaspoon. And I have here ginger. I like to keep it in the freezer and use it as I need it. It works out for me, and I just peel it a little bit, and I'm gonna use the same amount as ginger as the garlic. I'm gonna use as ginger. It's about a 1/4 teaspoon. That's about equal parts. Now here I have a 1/4 cup of water, and I have a tablespoon of cornstarch. Gonna give it a mix. Going to mix all of it together. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of sesame seeds. Now I'm bringing it to the stove. Now in about medium heat. I'm gonna cook it up and wait until it thickens up, and usually it goes for 2 minutes. You gotta stay with it because it will bubble up on you and will burn. So make sure that you stay. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes already. As you can see, the sauce looks very good. This is the secret to those delicious chicken wings that everyone keep asking me for. So now you know how I make them, and now you can make them. I'm gonna turn it off, and here's the sauce, and I made 3/4 of a cup. You like more, you could just increase the ingredients. You're gonna like this sauce a lot because you can use it on other recipes. Now, let's continue with our chicken wings. Okay, I have here 12 chicken wings, soaking, clean, with some yellow lemon, and I'm gonna leave them like this for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to remove all the water, pat dry them so that I could get them fried. I have medium heat. I'm gonna heat up some oil. I'm using olive oil. Now here I have my chicken. And I'm just gonna sprinkle just a little bit of this garlic salt. Just a little bit of pepper, black pepper. Salt. Just waiting on my pan to heat up. I'm gonna begin to fry them. Start adding a little bit of the sauce until I get my veggies ready. Put them aside. In a saucepan, I'm gonna begin by heating up some water. I'm gonna cut my broccoli. I already washed it, so I'm just gonna steam it a little bit. I'm also gonna need just a little bit of onion. Just a little bit. Okay. And I have here some green onions. And I have my sauce and the 2 cups of the bean sprout. I have 3 chiles, these red chiles. I'm gonna begin by sauteing the onions with the chiles. I'm adding the bean sprout. add the broccoli that's been steamed for 2 minutes. Start to add a little bit more of the sauce. I'm going to season it a little bit of garlic, salt, and black pepper. Now I'm going to add the wings. They already have a little bit of the glaze. Now I'm adding the rest of the glaze. Just leave it for a little bit until they begin to caramelize together. You're going to see that it starts to thicken. The sauce, the forms, begins to thicken up a little bit, and it becomes to develop a beautiful flavor. Now add the green onions. And your chicken wings are done. Well, everyone, this is the chicken wings. They turn out very delicious. You could serve it with your rice. This teriyaki sauce, you not only can you use it on your chicken wings, but if you would like, you can use it with tofu, with your fish. Get creative with it. This is a very delicious, easy to make dish. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.